Eagle Jon. Today I'd like to do a review on the Princeton Tech headlamp. I've probably had this headlamp for about a year, and I probably used it, I'm sure, at least 30 times during that year. I'm guessing probably a total of maybe 3 to 4 hours of actual time it's been on. I've never had to replace the batteries yet. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is nice. It's got the front lamp that has 3 different settings, actually 4 different settings. It's got 1 for low, 2 a little bit higher, 3 for highest, and the 4th one is a strobe. And then of course you have the lens on the bottom that's green that pulls up for military operations, I guess, or nighttime. I've used that at night. Works very good for if it's a very dark night. That works great. That's all you need. Is I don't ever use the strobe, of course, but all I need is low or medium with the green lens up at night. I mean, I have used it without the green lens, but so that works really well. Never had a problem. This slides very nice up and down. Never had a problem. I don't have any dirt in it or anything. The back will go from 0 degrees, about 5 or 6 clicks, to 90 degrees, which is really great. This back here you can take off with your finger, your thumbnail, if you don't get it too tight. It comes off, and it's big enough to where you can grab it with your fingers, which is really nice. I've had a lot of these, and they're not this simple at all. It just unscrews on the back, and it stays in the hole. It does not come out of the hole. And you can pull the back off, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. Now, I've also talked about batteries and aluminums. I like these to have the regular batteries, not the like lipos, and not the very, very bright lights they have nowadays. When you're looking at each other or talking to each other with this headlamp on, it'll blind the crap out of you. You can't see anything. You won't see anything for 1 or 2 minutes after you talk to the person. So I like these. These are lower intensity lights, and they work fine. If you have full moonlight at night, you really don't even need the light on. Like I said, if it's really dark, I use the green shade. If it's a bright moonlight out, I don't even need it at all. But anyway, that's how that back works really well. I never had this break. This has never broken or had anything happen to it. It works fine. This piece here, the headband, slips through the back, which is good, and also has this for your forehead to sit on. I've had a lot of these don't have this coming through here. It's only the plastic, and your forehead sweats on the plastic. And it's got an adjustment on the strap itself. You can adjust it to your head size. This front piece here comes off to replace the light if you need to replace the light. And all I do, I've never had to replace the light. In fact, I've never had this off before. There it goes. It just clicks off real simple. And it's got a hinge on the bottom. And the lens is a separate piece that slides right out. Slips right back on. And then clicks right on the top. So I've really enjoyed this headlamp. Like I said, I've had other ones that have I've had the ones that have the piece that come over the top of your head, up like this. I don't like those at all. They're very loose fitting. I've never had one that adjusts right to my head. But I like this headlamp. Like I said, it's a Princeton Tech. I don't remember exactly what else it's called, what brand, what model it is. But I like it. Never had a problem with it. It's the only one I have, and great product. Appreciate you watching.